My brother said he made some homemade pizza and it was delicious, so he came over and showed me how. We went to a local market where we bought dough, sauce, lots of cheese, and the toppings of our choice. The only things I used in this kitchen were the oven, a baking sheet, this roller, and a pizza slicer came in handy, but you could also just use a knife. We set the oven to preheat at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, then started to roll our dough. Wanted to get it pretty even thickness, and I preferred a nice circular shape, although my brother apparently did not.
So my wife is a lot better at this than me.
We put a little olive oil on the tray and then oiled the outside of the crust too. Put our favorite pizza sauce on. We sprinkled some of this Italian seasoning over the dough for a little flavor, and then loaded up on the cheese.
It's my pizza, so I can put as much cheese on it as I want.
Then the toppings. I like jalapenos, my wife likes black olives, and we both love pepperoni. Kind of as an afterthought, we sprinkled on some feta cheese. In hindsight, we should have probably put this on the bottom because it sort of burned when we were done. Anyway, my brother got his pizza ready and I got mine ready. We put them in the oven initially for 10 minutes, and we ended up adding about a minute and a half to that later.
Pizza's ready.
And there we go. Super easy to make homemade pizza. The dough was so soft and fresh. It was probably the best pizza I've ever had.
That's pretty good.
And my daughter agrees.
I want pizza.
Links to everything we use are in the description. Thanks for watching.